everybody, and today it is me, Gabriel, but I haven't been uploading in quite a while now. You see here, everything's been quite busy lately, and I really had no time. But anyways, let's just get on with the video. We're playing Fast and Famous. I almost said Fast and Frenzies. I was not in this round because I just started the video. I like that one. I like that one. Not that one. That one looks cute. Love the hair and the cat ears and it's so adorable. But anyways, guys, so we're just playing and we're just gonna play this. Yeah, mine is mine only shows the curtains. So yeah, it takes 20 seconds. Oh my god, I almost hit my head on something. But okay, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. As a theme of starting a new game. Randomizing clothing. Welcome to Fashion Famous. Oh, sorry. Welcome to Fashion Famous. The category is cartoon. So, what cartoon should I be? Maybe Pebbles from the Flintstones. Got it? Okay. Two, three. So we're gonna be Pebbles from the Flintstones. So in the VIP room, they have this bone hair thing tie. I know that because, well, yeah, right here, right there. Let me wear it. Will it? Will it? Will it? Will it? Will it? Sorry, I just turned myself around. There we go. We can be Flintstones. We're the Flintstones. Flintstones family. You're gonna meet. No, I messed it up. Flintstones. We're in the Flintstones. Stone Age family. You'll meet them when you meet them. No, there's very no guarantee. I don't know. I don't really know much of it. I mean, I do watch Flintstones, but you see here, there's a huge problem in Bedrock. Yeah. Why isn't there any? Oh no. Who will I be without Pebbles? Flintstones. Flintstones. Sorry guys, that's just a very addictive song. Is there any things that Pebbles would wear? Is there any Velma would wear? Is there any white clothing? Yeah, here we go. There we go. This is gonna be Velma now. And I should probably get some orange hair. There we go. It always takes forever on my computer. Is there any buns? Buns? Yeah, I'm just gonna have my hair like that. There we go. Is there any orange? Are you serious right now? This is the closest we're getting to orange, everybody. Okay, got it. Now we have to get a face before anything. Because I don't want to be, very happy. I mean, yeah, I do, but this is just, the normal face. I guess we can do this. Yeah. The Flintstone Flintstones. Flintstone. Oh, oops. So I would rate this guy, a, oh darn it, sorry. I would have rated him a 3. That was good. Elsa is not a cartoon though. I'll rate you like a 2 on that. I'm not much of a big fan on Elsa too, so. I'm not a big fan of Frozen at all. I used to be, oh my god, my cat's licking my cat purse. The effort is a 1, the rest is like, ugh. Are you coming? Are you coming down the mountain? Here we come, here we come. Going down the mountain. I don't see this person. Whatever. Um, okay, so. I love the cat mouth, but no, it's not Mulan. What? This is not Mulan at all. Where's Pokemon? Bugs Bunny. I should have Bugs Bunny. Whatever, I'm Flintstones. Erica Costyle 343. I should have Vicky from Fairly Odd Parents. Or Timmy. I'm not sure. They have red hats. How did she win? I don't see this. Like, 16, 16, 16, 15, 12. See, like, I don't see how like, these crazy people ever win. Like, when they, like, their outfits don't even, like, match the theme. Search YouTube, pics, okay. So I'm, like, second in the whole server, so. This just reminds me of Aphna, like, this photo. So we see her little hat up there, like, right here. Let me see, like, and then we see her here. Headphones. Looks like her. Dog. Whatever, right now, I'm gonna jump on your head, go over here, on here, like I can. This one creeps me out a little bit, but whatever. Oh, this one's really cute. It's anime too. I don't care right now. But what's the theme? I wasn't paying attention. Crazy face. So we can do whatever we want. It's just that we had to do a crazy face. So let's just like be basic and then just our face will be just crazy, completely crazy. Let's have this like, yeah, there. What? Why are her legs blue? But let's be like really basic. Afmail. Let's be Afmail. Slash Afmail, but whatever. I like doing the skin tone. There we go. Okay, now I think we're gonna like change the. I think I'm gonna change the hair to make it look more like Afmail. Cause like the outfit's like just like the best. So this just looks weird. Just you know, Afmail over here, just walking, turn around. Really scares me. But whatever, we have to get like a certain color of hair. It's about how long her hair is. Black. Okay, now all we need are some cat ears. Cutie. There we go. Arr! Arr! Yeah, that just looks really weird. They said crazy face, not outfit. If you were paying attention, you would know this. If you weren't, well, too bad. Okay, so let's go to crazy face. Crazy face. Yeah, she'll usually have a game in her hand. Obviously. Pretty obvious. She's a gaming YouTuber, so I mean, it's not possible if she doesn't have like a game in her hand. I mean, yeah, I mean, she might be. Well, whatever. I feel like I should have the purple bag. This suits her a little bit more. And then, okay, time's up. You can like still click stuff. 1 minute, guys. I just see it. Go. Yeah, GGTX. Yeah, we were first place, everybody. But now I have to end the video. I'm sorry, but we have to end it here. See, like the second person was like really close. But anyways, guys, I have to go now, and it's probably like time for you guys to like do something too. But anyways, like so now, anyways, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I'm just so happy that I'm recording again, and I just see you next time. So bye everybody. Don't forget to gab about the gamer.